we know that 90 to 95% cases imperative sentences start with main verb. Can I have an example of that? Yes, Jerin.
Do the work.
Do the work. Another example, Rodela.
Work fast.
Walk fast. Another, Mumu this time.
March on.
Sorry. March on. Okay, another one. Yes, we know that in maximum cases imperative sentence start with be1 form of verb, but sometimes imperative sentence may start with adverb. Yes, adverb. Okay. Yes.
Please give me a glass of water.
Please give me a glass of water. Yes, you. Always speak the truth. Never tell a lie. There is another structure. Imperative sentence may also start with let. One example, Merab, let.
Sir, let me do the work.
Let me do the work. Another example of that structure, let. Yes.
Sir, let me come here.
Let.
Let me come here.
Let me come here. Yes. Another example, you. Let him go. Another example. Let him come in. Very good. So, yes. Let him do something. Yes. Let me play football. So we have got so many examples of these three structures, but there can be negative form of imperative sentence. Okay. Can I have one example of that? Negative. Yes. One example. This time new. Yes, you.
Do not do the work.
Do not do the work. Yes.
Don't run in the sun.
Do not run in the sun. Don't go there. Okay, very good. Yes, one example.
Don't speak fast.
Don't
Don't speak fast.
sleep. Don't speak fast. Okay, you.
Don't open the door.
Do not open the door. Yes. Okay. Yes, Merab.
Sir, don't tell a lie.
Don't tell a lie. Very good. Yes, Tasnim.
May have tell a lie.
It's not. Never tell a lie. Yes, another example.
Don't eat my food.
Don't eat my food. Okay, very good. So this is how we have finished talking about imperative sentence. What is the definition of imperative sentence? Then finally, what is the definition of imperative sentence? Mumu, this time. Okay, a sentence which makes advice, request, command, offer, etc. is known as imperative sentence. Okay, imperative sentence gives you advice, imperative sentence gives you command, it offers something. Okay, it also makes advices. Okay, and at the same time we came to know some structures of imperative sentence with lots of examples from you, and it was really a very great session. You made it a fantastic one. Thank you very much. Now